play. I laugh and smile from ear to ear, because my bath time fun is here. Tiny bubbles float so high, dancing gently to the sky. Round and shiny, big and small, I love to watch them one and all. Wash my hands and wash my toes, wash my cheeks and little nose, splashing softly with delight. Everything feels fresh and bright. Rub-a-dub, the bubbles shine, making bath time feel so fine. Playing with my toy boat too, sailing on the water blue. Little rubber duck swims near, waddling with a happy cheer. Floating gently by my side, joining me on my bubble ride. My bubbles sparkle in the light, turning bath time extra bright. Swirling, twirling all around, making funny splashy sounds. Wash my arms and wash my hair, keeping clean with loving care. Feeling fresh from head to toe, ready for more fun to grow. Bath time songs are fun to sing, happy laughter they can bring. With every splash and every smile, I enjoy each little while. Soon the bath is almost done. What a day of bubbly fun. A fluffy towel waits for me, soft and cozy as can be. Now I'm clean and feeling bright, ready for a peaceful night. Dreaming happy dreams so sweet, until tomorrow's bath time treat.